Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G72 and let me show you how to reset browsing data. So at first open the browser that you are using, then tap on more icon and select history. Here select clear browsing data and you will find here basic and advanced features. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data and cached images and files, and then under advanced you've got a few more. And these are saved passwords, out of from data, and site settings. So if you wish to remove it, just select the time range and click on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, there's no longer history here and you can create it from scratch. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.